5 mind-blowing AI tools, 2 minutes. Stop wasting your time doing things manually. The AI revolution is here and it's moving faster than you think. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI tools that will make you 10 times more productive. Let's dive in. First on our list is Gamma AI. Forget spending hours on PowerPoint or Google Slides. With Gamma, you just type in your topic, and the AI builds a professional presentation with images, layouts, and text in less than 30 seconds. It's a total game changer for students and business owners. Second, we have Perplexity AI. Think of it as Google, but much smarter. Instead of giving you a list of links to click, Perplexity reads the internet for you and gives you a direct, summarized answer with real-time sources. You'll never have to search through 10 different websites again. Third is ElevenLabs. This is the king of AI voice technology. It can turn any written text into a human-like voice that sounds incredibly natural. It's the perfect tool for content creators who want to stay anonymous while sounding professional. Fourth on the list is Leonardo AI. If you need high-quality images or digital art for your projects, this is the tool. Just describe what you want, and Leonardo generates stunning, high-resolution visuals that look like they were made by a professional designer. And finally, number 5, Adobe Firefly. This tool allows you to edit photos and add complex elements just by typing a few words. The future of design is officially here, and it's easier than ever. Which one of these tools is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of the AI revolution, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.